How to update Waze app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can update latest version of the Waze application. For this, you want to open a Play Store on your Android device. If you are using iOS devices, then open up App Store. Make sure to sign into your Gmail account on the Play Store app. Now, you want to tap on the search bar. Here, search for Waze. Tap on this option. This is the application you should be looking for. Now, in order to upgrade the latest version of the Waze application, you want to tap on the update option. Once you tap on update, the download will begin. Once the download has been completed, your Waze application will be fully up to date. If you find the open option instead of update, it means that your application is already updated. However, if you are facing any bugs in your application and you simply want to update the latest version of Waze application, then tap on the uninstall button. Once you have uninstalled the application, you can install it again, and in this way you can get a fresh version of the Waze app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.